Hello, I'll show you how to create your own customized WhatsApp sticker or meme. So the first thing is go and download an app called Sticker for WhatsApp, and this is the app here. And if you don't know how to download it, you can go to Play Store, and if you go to Play Store and search for Sticker Maker for WhatsApp, so this is what the app looks like. And as you can see, you can use this app to create your own customized WhatsApp sticker meme, and this absolutely legit. As you can see, has a very high rating, so people have been using this app to create their stickers. And you can also do this with your own picture and send it to others. Instead of using other stickers, you can also create your own sticker. So the first thing is to do is open the app and click the plus sign. Of course, you need to click the static sticker, select the static sticker. So that means the sticker will not be moving, but if you select animated sticker, that means the sticker will be in motion. It will be in the form of a video. So the next step is to click the picture sign, and here you need to select any picture of your choice. So any picture you like from your gallery. I don't have enough picture, so let me select the picture of Messi. So let me select, and here you need to crop it. You need to crop it to the right size and that you want, and after cropping you need to click on crop, and it will automatically remove the background for you, so you don't need to do any hard work. This app does it all. So the next thing is to, after cropping it, you need to click save. Get your sticker done. So here you need to click save again. As you can see here, you need to enter the name of your sticker. So this will be the name of the sticker pack that you want it to be in. So you can put in any name of your choice, it doesn't matter, it doesn't have a specific name. So any name you like, any name you want, so anything you want you can put it there because it's your own. So after saving it, so this is how it looks like. So the next thing is to add it to WhatsApp, and all you need to do is click the add to WhatsApp, and it will add you. Would you like to add Messi, the name of your pack, to WhatsApp? And if you click add, it will be automatically added. So the next thing you need to do is go to your WhatsApp and to verify if this works out or not. So click on your WhatsApp, and you can click on anybody's chat. You can click on any chat and click the emoji sign. So go to click the emoji sign. As you can see, this is the stickers I just created, and I can send it to anybody. So the only thing you need to do is to send it. Just click on it and it's already sent. As you can see, I can send it. So let me just type Leo Messi, and it's already gone. So if you enjoy this video, guys, I want you to like this video and subscribe. See you in my other videos.